Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to type faster using your voice and translating the type message into any other language, then watch this video. So I'll just open the browser, look for word.new, press enter. This will open up a new Word document online. Here we will click on the mic icon. We have now learned how to type using our voice and it is very much faster, and we want to translate this message into French. Now I click the mic icon again. I'll copy this. Then I will look for chatgpt.com. Press the enter key and then paste the message here. And it translates into French. You can translate this into any other language by just using the name of that language. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.